Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the Tidal display cabinet in Heartopia. So, in this Call of Wheels event, Heartopia has a new battle pass like this, and in here you can get many special rewards, and one of them you can get this recipe of Tidal display cabinet. After that you can craft this cabinet every time at your workbench. And to unlock this recipe, you only to need reach level 30 like this at the battle pass. So make sure you leveling up your level until it's reached 30. And then you can just level up your rank or your level by complete the fashion wave point bar over here. Just collect the fashion wave points. You can collect the fashion wave points from the fashion wave catalog over here. This one, it's available every weeks, and then you can also get it from the collections point on here, and then you can also get it from daily quests. And then after you successfully reach level 30, you will get this recipe of display cabinet. And then next, just go to your workbench and then just scroll down until you find the recipe, the furniture recipe, this one. And then in here you just need timber, stone, and then drumming oak timber, and then roll oyster material pack, and then just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then just simply tap on craft, and then tap on hold to continue. This like this, and just like that you will successfully making this cute blue Tidal display cabinet like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.